Many times we need to tie an object to keep it stable, to carry it or to hang it. Sometimes we need to connect two items or to stretch the rope between two objects. So a quick tip for today. A very useful and effective knot that we can use it in many different tasks. To tie the knot, fold in half the rope. Create two loops. Take the right edge of the cord and place it through of the right side of the loop. Do the same with the left edge. Tie the two loops. Now pull the edges to tie. If you want to lose the knot, pull out of the loops the two edges. Let's see some ideas how we can use this knot. The hook of your Swiss Army knife can help you to lose the knot if it is very tight. Tie a square knot if you want to secure your knot. I wish to find this video useful. I'm thinking for the next video to show you all my Swiss Army knives collection with all accessories. Tell me if you like this idea. Thanks for watching.